How much does your office culture really affect your ethical choices? Let's dive in. So you might think your own moral compass is all that matters, right? Well, not exactly. Turns out, your company's culture is a huge deal. It can push you one way or the other. And the single biggest influence? It's leadership. People watch what their managers actually do. A great example of this is Ben& Jerry's. One co-founder wanted to build a culture of fairness. So he made a rule no one could earn more than 7 times the lowest paid employee. See? His actions, not just a memo, set the real standard for the whole company. Okay, so beyond leaders, companies use formal systems. This usually starts with a code of ethics. Basically, it's the official rulebook on how everyone is expected to act. Simple as that. But a rulebook is just words, right? That's why most US companies now do ethics training. When you're in a tough spot, how do you make the right call? Here's a simple 3-part test. First, is it legal? Second, does it align with company values and your own? And the final check, think of it as the social media test. How would this look as a headline? So leadership, codes, and training all work together to build that ethical framework. Which brings us back to the biggest question. Does any of it matter if leaders don't follow the rules?